Okay, so in the last video you saw that we started with a new chapter, chapter 13, weather, right? We understood what is weather, right? We saw with the activity we started the chapter, then we understood what is a weather. Weather at a given time and place tells us about how hot, cold or wet the air is, right? And then we saw that weather is different at different places and it keeps changing in day-to-day life, right? Then we saw the different seasons, right? We studied the summer season, right? We studied what is season when the same kind of weather condition continues for a long period of time. It is called season. When the same kind of weather continues for a long period of time, it is called as season, right? Then we saw in India we have how many seasons? 5 seasons in a year, right? Then we started with summer season. We saw the examples of summer season, then fruits of summer season, then we saw the rainy season, right? What all, rain where we use in rainy season, right? Then we saw what? Which season is this? Autumn season, right? It is also known as fall season, right? Okay, so today we are going to start with the remaining season, okay? From the picture, what do you understand or what do you recognize? What picture is this? What is it showing? Showing a sun, showing lot of snow, right? Showing snowman. And what kind of clothes the children are wearing? Yes, woolen clothes. If you remember clothes chapter, it is winter season and children are wearing woolen clothes, right? Okay, so open your textbook, page number 99. We are starting with winter season, right? Keep a pencil in your hand and do read with me, right? Okay. In winter, the weather becomes too cold, okay? In winter, the weather becomes too cold. Some places even get snowfall. Okay, can you recall any place where there is good amount of snowfall? Yes, Kashmir, Shimla, Manali, Darjeeling, all these places in the north have lot of snowfall, right? In winters it is very cold over there. That's why they are called as hill stations, as they are situated in the hilly regions. That is why they have lot of snowfall, right? If you remember the chapter Earth, our homeland, where we understand mountains, right? Landforms. So in that, when the places which are at the hilly region, they have lot of snowfall, right? Okay, so we see the example over here. Rishi is wearing woolen clothes, right? Sneha is looking out of the window at the falling snow. People are sitting around the bonfire to keep themselves warm. Very favorite part of winters, right? Lot of people arrange bonfires. आपको पता है तापड़ी करते हैं, right? ठंडी में तापड़ी करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. In winters we have lot of weddings, right? और wedding में आप ठंडी वाली weddings में जाते हैं और वहाँ पे ये तापड़ी का वो बड़ा बड़ा stand लगा होता है जिसमें people arrange this bonfire. It's very, in that cold winter this gives a lot of warmness, right? So people are sitting around the bonfire to keep themselves warm, right? Okay, so we move on to the next season. What do you see here? You see happy faces, fresh happy faces, right? Even I am feeling fresh at looking at this. See, the trees are more green, the sun is bright, the colors are bright, yes? And it's all happy everywhere, right? New leaves are growing up. So which season is this? We said hello spring, right? It's the spring season, right? After the winter comes the spring, okay? This season, like the autumn, is neither hot nor cold. The flowers are in full bloom all around. Full bloom means पूरी तरीके से खिले हुए हैं, fresh, right? New leaves grow on the trees. Okay, the breeze becomes gentle and soft. Okay, the breeze becomes gentle and soft. बहुत ही मीठी मीठी हवा चलती है and it's a very pleasant atmosphere, pleasant weather, right? Okay, so let us recall, we moving on to the end of the chapter. We understand that weather at a given time and place tells us about how hot or cold or wet the air is and how fast it is moving, right? When the same kind of weather condition continues for a long period of time, it is called a season. Okay, in India, there's a comma, we'll pause. We have 5 seasons in a year, namely summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Understood, my children? Okay, so in recalling, we understood what is weather. Weather at a given time and place. And what does weather tells us? How hot, cold or wet the air is and how fast it is moving, right? Then when the same kind of weather condition continues for a long period of time, it is called as season. Okay, you remember what is season? If somebody asks you what is the definition of season, you will say, or what do you mean by season, you will say, जब कोई जगह पे एक वेदर कंडीशन बहुत लंबे समय तक रहता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं season. Okay, that is why different countries have different times of seasons, right? Okay, in India, specifically when we talk about India, we have how many seasons? We have 5 seasons. Okay, which are they? Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood this chapter properly. You have gone through the different seasons. You have understood all the seasons properly, right? And do the reading practice of this chapter and understand it. In the next period, I will give you the question answers of this chapter, right, which you will write in your notebook. Okay, blanks and other questions of the textbook you will write in the textbook, right? Till then, read the chapter, stay home, stay safe and do the studying, right? Okay, thank you, bye.